Hi, I'm Barb Lulay with US Air Purifiers. Thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to show you how we change a filter in an IDEAL PRO AP80. It's a German-made unit that's excellent for its air filtration and its high power in a small size. I also would like to welcome Riley Lulay, who's helping us with the filming today. Thank you, Riley. All right, first thing is you'll see on the unit that the indicator says F in red, telling you that you need to change the filter. So the first thing we want to do is shut off the unit and unplug the unit. Now you may want to lay something down on your carpet so it doesn't get dirty. I have the new one here. I'm going to move it over so you can see a little better. And IDEAL Pro is no tools needed and very easy maintenance. So you're just going to pull forward, the magnets will release and lift out the door. You can set that up against the wall. And you will see, although Riley and Claudia trust me on their carpet, I'm going to lay plastic down just to make sure. And it's very easy to take out a filter. You simply put your fingers on the grooves, rotate slightly to the left, and pull out. You will see this one is very dirty. And that's expected because it's been a year, which is the expected life of an IDEAL Pro filter. If this were light and the light was coming on early, say at a couple months, you may be able to lightly vacuum the filter. And I'm just going to scratch a little bit so you can see this. There's a fine membrane that's your pre-filter that wraps around the HEPA that has crushed carbon. IDEAL Pro is also known for having a 3-in-1 filter. So we're going to take this one and let me just show you compared to a new one, the significant difference. All right, and we'll put this in the box to get rid of it. And however your community says you should get rid of air filters, that's what you should do. In our area, we just throw them out. So before we put the new one in, it's good to wipe around the edges to pick up any residual dust. And you're starting with a fresh start. You'll see that we do have a little bit of dirt that we've collected. And that's good because you don't want it to stay in there. Now throw that out. Then to put the new filter in, you'll see it says 360 degree filter. It's easy to line up. You have the little notches to hold. So you're just going to go straight in, get in the notches, and gently turn to the right. And gather up your plastic or whatever you had under it to protect your floor, and you're all done. So the next thing you want to do is put your door back on. Again, no tools required. Simply lean it forward, bring it up, and you will feel, there you go, you will feel the magnets grab and pull it in. So now all you need to do so you can enjoy healthy air again is plug it in. Turn it on. And you'll notice that the F in red for filter is gone now because you have a fresh filter in it. You will also notice here that the light is green, saying that Riley and Claudia now have healthy air in their environment. Again, this is Barb Lulay. Riley Lulay is our photographer at US Air Purifiers. Thank you for joining us.